Hi, it's James here at Workshop Software. How you going? I've got another really cool video for you. Another sneak peek, actually. We've been working really hard on a whole heap of things that have been going on, and one of them is the mobile phone app. So I've literally got a test version of this mobile phone app today in my hot hands, and I just wanted to get it out there and show you a couple of things that we've done. Not yet released. This is coming out soon, but I thought I'd give you a sneak peek. So first up, I'm just going to click on a job that we've got in the job center, okay? And what you can see is you've got the customer details. Now you can see the address. If I click on the address, look at this. Super cool. Opens up maps, goes directly to that address. So imagine you're a field service unit, you're a mobile mechanic, you're a truck repairer, something like that. You want to go to the address, you can do directions. It'll open up the maps that is applicable to your phone. You can go to Street View, any of those sorts of things, and you've got complete map control for that particular client, which is super, super awesome. The other really cool thing, if I jump back into the mobile phone app, is you can click on any phone number, and if you click it, you can go call the client, talk to the client, that sort of stuff, and away you go. So you can do that on any phone number. So you got maps, you got mobile, which is super awesome. The other thing, if I scroll down to the bottom, you'll see here that you can see view printable version. You'll actually be able to click on that and view a printable version or a viewable version on the screen of the job card. So you'll be able to see all of the details of the job card, which is awesome. The other thing is, if I just edit this, I just want to show you a few extra fields that we've got in here, which you can see you don't have to be in edit, but you can edit them as well. I wanted to show you, for example, in the invoice section, we've added in a whole lot more information that you can edit about the invoice. So for example, the job status, we might be now waiting for parts, for example. So we can go waiting for parts, and you can do that now on the mobile phone app. You can put in things like the job status. You can do any of these fields that are here. You can go and edit all of these details. So you go done, and that's saved. So again, super easy. Another super unreal thing is if I scroll across here, you can go to history. So you can see the green button there that says history. You click on that, it shows you all the history of this particular vehicle. You can also click on an item, click on an invoice, and it'll show you all the details of that invoice as well. So it's got all the parts, all the, in this case, consumables, any notes that are there, photos, etc., all there. You'll be able to see all of that sort of information. So you've got all the details of the actual invoice, all of that sort of stuff, which is so, so cool. So a few extra things in there for the mobile phone app. We're super pumped to get this out to you. Not yet released, but I just wanted to give you a bit of a sneak peek into what was going on. There's some really cool stuff. We're working really hard to get some really awesome stuff out to you, free to any subscriber of Workshop Software. So, you know, it's pretty great value, and we're really pumped about it, and I hope you are as well. So thanks a lot.